Hi, so I want to make a quick video on how to factory default the NVS encoders, okay? So this will apply to the NVS 33, NVS 34 I have here, and the NVS 35, okay? So, unit is on, make sure it's not streaming, make sure it's not recording. All lights are solid white, okay? While the unit is powered on as well, okay? To do the hard reset, again, this is a hard reset. Please note this will erase all the settings inside the encoder. Suggest copying, taking photos, the settings you have in the encoder, so you could re-input them later. If you're using Facebook, YouTube, any of the stream platforms, you would just go in, copy and paste your URLs and stream keys back to the encoder, and you're good to go, okay? But just note, doing the hard reset does clear and erase all the settings, but this will also help with anything that is going on with the encoder that needs to kind of, it's stuck or whatever issues you're having. This is kind of the last resort to try and see if it clears up any hiccups you have, okay? So while the unit is on, again, this is the process for the same for the NVS 33, NVS 34, and also the NVS 35. You're going to hold down the record and stream at the same time, okay? So you're going to hold down the record and stream buttons at the same time and keep holding. You're going to keep holding until all the lights turn red, and then you let go. This applies to all NVS 33, NVS 34, NVS 35, okay? Hold record and stream at the same time until all the buttons start turn red. Let go, then the unit's gonna cycle itself. Let it sit. Okay, give it a couple of seconds or maybe even in a minute. Let it reboot itself, let it connect itself to the network again. Once you're done, go ahead and use the device finder, or if you know the IP. Actually, quick note, it will, if you have the unit to a static IP, it will revert it back to DHCP. So you're gonna need the device finder. If you need the device finder, let's email support@datavideo.com saying you need the device finder to find this IP of the unit. Again, this is if you have the unit in a static IP and you need to find the IP, you need a device finder to find the IP after you do a hard reset, okay? So just making a note of that. After it's done, all lights are back to solid white. Scan for the IP, and then once you scan for the IP, you double click on the IP, and then it opens up. Password and username is admin for username and 6 zeros for password, okay? Thank you.